Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling essentials and taking the first precise steps. Measure the API fin dose exactly, gather saline and sterile instruments, and position the body so movement is minimal. Clean the area thoroughly for 30 to 60 seconds, then pat dry with a sterile towel. Once done, apply the API fin per label. Small, controlled application concentrating on the target zone. Make sure to keep everything sterile. This initial precision prevents common early errors and sets up the rest of the process for success. Continue by executing the controlled middle steps with steady pacing. Apply API fin in thin, 1 to 2 millimeter layers, pausing between passes so absorption is even. This reduces irritation and ensures effectiveness. Monitor the treated area every 5 to 10 minutes for redness, warmth, or pain, and note any changes. Once done with a layer, flush gently with saline before proceeding to the next application and log timestamps. Make sure to adjust technique if sensitivity rises so you maintain safety while achieving the intended outcome. Finish by completing final steps that secure results and recovery. Rinse the area gently, apply a protective dressing or appropriate moisturizer, and make a clear note of dose, time, and any immediate reactions so you can track progress. Once complete, schedule a follow-up to reassess and repeat only as directed. If you encounter significant irritation, stop treatment immediately and use a cool compress to reduce inflammation. If symptoms persist or worsen, contact a clinician promptly. That troubleshooting tip prevents minor issues from becoming serious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.